Good morning, children. As you know, the first chapter is going on, that is operating system. In previous topic, we were discuss about the operating system. What is operating system, and what are the functions of operating system. Now today we will discuss how many types of operating system. As you can see in the picture, operating system, will again read the definition of operating system, then we will see how many types of operating system. An operating system consists of integrated program that act links between the user or machine. As I told you in my previous lecture, that operating system is a integrated program or a fixed set of instructions that create communication between the user and machine. Okay, now types of operating system. There are three types of operating system: single user single tasking, multi-user single tasking, and multi-user multitasking. Single user multitasking. What is the meaning of single user multitasking? Designed with a single user in mind but can deal with many applications running at the same time. Type of operating system most people use on their desktop and laptop computer today means single user, one person perform multitasking, one person perform at a time many work, means at a single desktop, at a single computer, at a single machine, we can open many applications simultaneously and we can do work simultaneously. For example, we can see movie with a voice, we can play game with a song. Next type of operating system most people use on their desktop and laptop computers today. These type of operating system generally we use today's on laptop and on desktop. Next, single user operating system. Single user operating system, as you know or as you understand with the name, that is single user single task, designed to manage the computer to that one user can effectively do one thing at a time, means one computer, one application program, one user do work at a time. Mean at a single system, single person can perform single task at a time. For example, the Palm OS for palm handheld computers. Next, multi-user operating system. Allow lots of users to share data and resource at apparently the same time. Says multi-user operating system allow the more than one users can use same application or same network or same window at a time. For example, Facebook. At Facebook, more than one person can use at a time. WhatsApp, we can more than one person can use WhatsApp at a time. This is called a network. A server control how the computer run and communicate. In this matter, in this type of multi-user operating system, server perform the main role. It is the head of the multi-user. It control how the computers, many computers run and communicate to each other. The server needs a network operating system NOS. At that time, server needs a highly speed data network to create healthy communication between the more than one computers. Now, children, today you saw how many types of operating system and how they work. each other. Thank you, children.